One of the most important things that you need as a digital nomad is staying safe, staying healthy. And we all know that across the world, health insurance is one of those things that is very crooked and so broken in so many countries. And as you travel, things may happen. We take chances every day. You want to have fun, you want to go bungee jumping, do all this crazy stuff. You still have to do it in a safe way, in a way that you don't put yourself or your family at risk. And that's why we all need health insurance at some point. Health insurance is not to say that things are going to happen for certain, but if it does happen, you are covered financially. You have the financial means to take care of yourself, so you don't have to put your family or your friends or your close ones in jeopardy. So in this video, I want to talk about health insurance for digital nomads from SafetyWing. Now, this video is not sponsored by them. I just figured, why not make a video breaking down everything about SafetyWing, what I know. Because a few months, I believe ago, I was on a Zoom call with someone from SafetyWing. I wanted to do a collaboration, but we haven't done that yet. I just wanted to try the product and use it and see what people say about it before I enter into such collaboration. And this is my honest opinion about SafetyWing. I've never had to claim anything. Thank you, God. I thank God for that. I hope I don't have to, but there's always an element of risk when we travel. So let's talk about SafetyWing insurance products. And as a digital nomad, the most important one that might be useful for you or that applies to you is the Nomad Insurance. Digital nomad traveling everywhere, you need this insurance. If you want to get into certain countries to get visas, for example, they need some type of coverage from, some type of insurance coverage stating that you are covered while you're in that country. So that's where Nomad Insurance comes in from SafetyWing. The overview of this insurance is that it's a travel medical insurance that covers people from all over the world while outside their home country. So for example, if you are from the United States, SafetyWing Nomad Insurance covers you everywhere you go in any country of the world except the United States. The exception is that it covers you for 2 weeks. If you are in the United States for 2 weeks, it covers you for that period of time and not more than that. So how much is SafetyWing Nomad Insurance? It's only $42. So it's like a Netflix subscription, right? It renews every single month. And if you want to include travel in the US, then you'll be paying $77 for 4 weeks. If you're traveling within the US for an extended period of time, then you'll be paying $77. But if you want to remove that, you're only paying $42 for every 4 weeks. So think about it as a Netflix subscription, but for your health. So this insurance product, this Nomad insurance product, has a $250 deductible and a $250,000 limit for 18 to 39 years old. So for that insurance program to kick in, if you have any unfortunate situation, God forbid, it has a $250 deductible, meaning you have to pay $250 out of pocket, and the maximum they're going to cover is $250,000. So if you have to have a surgery or have medical intervention, be flown or here lifted to anywhere, as long as it's not over $250,000, SafetyWing will cover that. And that limit and the age group that this covers is for 18 to 39 years old, meaning younger people has a much less risk pretty much than older people. So what are the prices for other age groups? So for 10 to 39 years old, $42, and for 40 to 49 years old, it's $68. And it goes up and up from there. If you're 50 and 59, if you're an older nomad, you'll be paying well over, just a little bit over $100 to get that insurance for yourself. I believe that is everything here. So what are the features of this insurance? One, you buy abroad, you stay abroad, meaning even if you've already commenced your trip, you can buy your health insurance and it still kicks in at that point. You can stay flexible, meaning you can cancel your insurance anytime. You're not locked into a contract. Visits to home country are covered. So after 90 days abroad, you're covered for brief visits back to home for up to 30 days. So 15 days for US residents. So 2 weeks for US residents, like I said, but 30 days if you are from any other place. Now, young children are included. So if you travel with your family and you have some young children under 2 children under the age of 10 per family per adult. So if you have children under the age of 10, you can add up to 2 of them. Your insurance includes medical, meaning they cover you if you're suddenly in an accident, you fall sick while outside the home country and you need medical assistance. If you have unforeseen things happen to you while you travel, travel delay, lost checked luggage, emergency response, natural disasters, personal liability, like what happened in the United States. If you're traveling in the US about a month ago, you know, it was a total disaster to travel in the US because flights were canceled and whatnot. So benefits of that medical insurance, your max limit, like I said, $250,000, $100,000 for 65 and above, $250 deductible, room and nursing services in an hospital, intensive care, ambulance, urgent charges, physical therapy, and chiropractic care, emergency dental service if something's wrong with your teeth, your gum, you want to get that treated, and other eligible medical expenses. Now, these are the exclusions, right? High risk sports activity, pre-existing disease or injury, cancer treatment. So if you go bungee jumping, if you go do any of these things, you know, rafting, or you go do anything that deliberately puts you at risk, it's not going to be covered. So this is just for emergency services alone. Now, under the travel delay, trip interruption, lost checked baggage, natural disaster, political evacuation, like what happened in Ukraine. If you were in Ukraine at the time, then you'd be eligible to file a claim. Emergency medical evacuation. Now, they have other products as well for remote health. If you are a remote worker and you need full coverage, if you're, global health insurance for remote workers and nomads, and this is $206 a month. Now, it's still in the works, and once it releases, you'll be able to join that. You can join the wait list. I'll leave a link to it in the description as well. They have other products as well. They have remote health for global companies. If you want to provide health insurance for your company, for your employees, you can do that through remote health. That is still in the works as well. The same thing applies to that. Buy abroad, stay abroad. Very flexible, support in every time zone. Premium health insurance that works in every country, 175 countries, as you can see here. So if you're a digital nomad and you're looking for an insurance product that is reliable, that is flexible, that covers most of your needs, travel needs, medical needs, SafetyWing is the company that I recommend. A lot of people use this. Hundreds of thousands of nomads use this already. So you can be rest assured that you have a solid global team behind you, and backed by hundreds of thousands of people and reviews of people using SafetyWing as well. So I'll leave a link to SafetyWing in my description. It's an affiliate link, so if you use that, I'm going to get a kickback from that. Affiliate links are what they are. It helps this channel, helps me make videos like this, helpful videos, and we'll check out other videos like I have on my channel as well. You can do that in the cards. I'll put it right here, or you can check the videos on my channel. So this is SafetyWing for digital nomads, and if you have any questions about traveling sustainably as a digital nomad, ask me in the comments, or you can connect with me on Instagram at ifdaniel.did. I'll put it right here somewhere. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.